Very good morning, friends. I am Nalnakshi Swami, welcoming to my channel. These are the indicators. I have created many indicators, or the indicators for my trading. I used to face lot of problems, and when I used to apply standard pivots, I've already explained in my previous video, they were all dead pivots. I wanted a pivot. I want a price behavior, supporting behavior along with the price travels. So then came the innovation of the rolling pivot reversal magic. Rolling pivot reversal magic, all of you who have all accessed my indicator, they are enjoying with their trading and they are profitable. But there, even in spite of the trading view, rolling pivot reversal magic, the now market is behaving in funnily. When it starts behaving in funnily, gaps up and gaps down. You can see over here, it is a gap down that is an 19th, and 20th it is moving higher, and the 23rd it is gap down. Later, 24th gap up, 25th gap up, and 27th it is gap down. Immediately when it gaps up or when it gaps down, it is like an algo trading in the system. You cannot catch the first 15-minute candle will be very huge, and you cannot catch the trade. And for an option buyer, entry is very, very important. If entry is not precise, they are not going to trade with calm mind, or they cannot sit with confidence. But an option writer is not a problem. Option writer, even if they write it and they will can hold it, and somehow the time decay will give them money. But even for them, it is also risky. But for an option, most of the traders with minimum capital are option buyers. They want to make money, and even option buying is also a very good trading system. You can make money if you trade properly. That was the thing. So many traders ask me one question again and again: how to identify market direction clearly, early. That is very, very important. When nothing here, hindsight, when I'm showing the chart, it looks very lucrative. But when you are in the system, when you are trading, when the market opens, gaps down or gaps up, you will be unable to catch the levels. You will be in confusion. For example, you see, this is a gap up thing. Even in spite of that, you could have made money. And when a big tunnel forms, sometimes market comes down. In options, it happens. Yeah, you think it is going up. If you press button on the call option, you are going to lose money. So many times, this is the problem. To solve the problem, and these are all my hacks, identified hacks. When I used to, initially, I used to mark the 5-minute high and low, and even open and close manually, and used to take it as a guideline for intraday. That was a long task. I used to do all those things. Now, when I started observing this, let me take you to the 1-minute chart. 1-minute chart, see, opening bell, it has gap down. It has gap down. See, this rolling pivot reversal magic, when you change the manual setting to 3 minutes, it gives you actual 3 minutes rolling pivot. Rolling pivot. And 3 minutes means 1, 2, 3, one box is formed. You can see this is the box so wide. So wide. Can you see over here? I used to mark this manually like this. I used to mark. This is the R1. This is the pivot. And I used to mark the, because if you consider this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles, if I change the without, if I hide the indicator, 1 minute, where is that hide button? If I hide the indicator and if I change it to 5 minutes, your resistance, you are not able to make out the balance of the 5 minute. It is so huge. But with the 1 minute, I was able to, with the help of the indicator, the box has been formed. Let me go back to 1 minute. Box has been formed and, oh, I'm going back actually here. See, this is the reference. Immediately, I need not struggle. I need not do anything. Based upon this Nalini Precision Engineering engine, it is automatically pots. Let me remove the drawings. It automatically plots the levels which are guidelines for my trade, early trade. I know that if the price stays, this is the resistance, this is the pivot, and this is the support. If the price trades above this only, it is positive. If it is trading below this, above is negative. So let me put a line to this pivot across and change the time frame to 15 minutes to see, you can see the boundary very clearly. Only in the initial stage itself, you can press the button, you can take the trade. You have identified the direction in this method, automatically it plots it. And also on the left side, when the market went higher, this was the first 1 minute block pivot. See, this is the pivot. And this is the support. See, so beautifully, this pivot became resistance and support. Market is breaking. First 15-minute candle itself, it is breaking all these things. So you get to know where it is, where the market is going to go, and what happens is you get confused when green candle starts appearing, because you will not be, you will go to the left side and you will mark the levels. Even I used to do that. It may be a support. I used to think that it may be a support, reversal may come, and I need to look for jump from put option to call option. And I used to miss the entry, this put up, I mean, going short, and I used to look for the call option. It is the journey of all the traders. So this problem will be solved. And apart from this, rolling pivot boxes are red. It has been color coded. They are red. And the trend indicator is there. Trend indicator is also red, magenta color. Where is the question of you jumping into the thing? But you will be looking for, if you missed entry in put option early, you will be looking for buying the put option on a discounted price. When a market pulls up, it becomes discounted. You can enter at a fair price if you miss the entry, early entry. That was the thing. Direction becomes clear with the Nalini precision engine, and also visually you get all the things, the pivots and everything. This is the most important thing which was not included in this. Upgraded means because of the problem of all the traders considering, because the market is nowadays it is gap down and gap up. So there is no worry for, even if for my traders, if they, for the people who have accessed this rolling pivot reversal magic, they can access it for nominal price of 2000 rupees extra, because it has been priced for 5000 rupees. They can, if they pay only 2000 rupees extra, and I will give this indicator access to this. Actually, it is a powerful, it has combined everything, and it not only that, it has been coded for 6-hour bias also. You need not turn the time frame. Instantly, you will come to know what is happened on the higher time frame, and also there is a block. It gives you, if you go for the setting, and it I mean, varies from 5 days, 1 day, 3 day. If you change in the setting 5 days to 1 day, it gives you what is happening on the 1 day. 1 day stocks which are going down. It automatically gives you sell signal and stocks. They are. It is telling. It is. This is the table where. I mean, based on the 6-hour time frame, it picks up the stocks. You can see it has picked up Nifty, and it has picked up ABC Capital. It has picked up Adani Ports, because it is 0 day. First day it is coming down, because you can know that. Yeah, I'm on the Nifty chart. It was in the uptrend. This is the first day it is coming down. It was a 6-hour bias was up. Now it has fallen down. Like that, it picks up the stocks and how many days. Suppose if I change it to 3 days or something, it will come 3 days fall stocks, and the fourth day also they are falling. Like that, it picks up those stocks. So you will get to know, because if they are falling since 3 to 4 days, it is like based on weekly expiries. They are, I mean, those stocks may be ready for reversals. So those stocks also you can quarantine and keep it. You can mark it as 4 days for, and you can go to the, higher time frame, and you can. Not only apart from that, I consider 12 p.m. 12 p.m. also very, very important. 12 p.m. levels are very important, because 12 p.m. level, at the 12 p.m., London session and Europe session will open. At that time, other time frame traders will enter into our Indian market. So the volume will be there, volume increases, and manipulation will also start. I wanted to know if the trend has to come. See, these traders also, they started selling. You can see automatically it picks up the 12-15 candle 1 minute and marks the high pivot, resistance and support, and these, when it has, see, immediately you cannot trade it goes up. See the candle, shadow candle over here, rejection candle over here, and it is a trap candle trapping everybody. It might be a green candle running like a bull. Let me put it like this. Let me go to the settings, and let me change the color to green. It will be like a very big bull candle like this running across. What you will think? immediately people will run into this. We are going to miss out the thing. They will press the button. They will press the button. Even my rolling pivot, it tells it ran up to this support. This is the support, hourly support area. Market has fallen below this. Market fallen below this, you know the reference, you are not going to do any mistake. So see the candle, the close, and when it loses its balance, the market came down. You can get an early entry. Let us go to the put option, and observe what has happened. Okay, let us go to 23,000 put option itself. See, 23,000 put option. Let me show you this is the support, and yellow cross are pivot, and this is the resistance. Let me remove the drawings. You can make out that it has lost. It is trading above that, and previously, you know, the pivots here running over here. Keeping this as guideline, you can enter into the market even through London session also it gives, and even if you would have missed entry, you could have taken a long bias and the trend is intact. It has flipped, trend has flipped yesterday itself. You see, trend has flipped yesterday itself. You can make out, friends. A day before itself, trend was determined. The price had closed above this. Can you see? Price above closed this. And it had plotted 6-hour sell because it was below the first hour pivot, 15 minutes. So then, but with careful observation, when it goes, these sellers or they will be trapped actually. So the market went higher. This is the precision trading you can do with this. So now, even if it is gap down or gap up, my Nalini precision engine already knows the important levels. It makes it is an engine which is truly powerful. It even gives you 6-hour higher time frame bias, system inside it, the market momentum, moment the market opens, the 6-hour engine instantly tells you whether the higher time frame trend is bullish or bearish. So instead of guessing direction, you start the day already aligned with the market structure. This removes confusion, this removes hesitation, and most importantly, this removes trading this improves the trading confidence. Once the higher time frame direction is identified using the 6-hour engine, then comes the second step. You simply compare the position of price with the rolling pivot levels, and now your trading becomes very clear. If the price is holding above the rolling pivot and 6-hour bias is bullish, you trade with strength. If price is below rolling pivot and 6-hour bias turns bearish, you trade with confidence on the short side. No prediction, only structure, no emotional trading, only level-based decisions you are going to make. This is the same, and entry becomes very precise. The entry is very important in option buying. That problem will be solved instantly. You are not entering into the trade by seeing a green candle or a red candle. You know the levels, then only you enter into the market. So friends, if you want to get access of this engine, it is a very powerful system. You can message me 98452 452 09600. So remember that only for it is priced at 5,000 rupees. only for the people who get to access, already accessed my rolling pivot reversal magic. I'll be giving with 2000 rupees. If they pay 2000 extra, I will be giving access to them. For the fresh buyers, it is priced at 5000 rupees for lifetime access. It's not a monthly subscription or yearly, it is lifetime. It costs nothing, friends. It is a very cheap. It becomes very cheap. You can earn money within one day, single day. You can, whatever you paid for the indicator, you will get back the money within 2 or 3 trading sessions. Thank you very much, friends. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.